Hello again, a new day, a new project, a new experiment. You see, I hooked on this PWM solar charge controller a few days before, and what I can say, it's amazing nice. I never had this 14.4 straight, at the top of my battery chargings. And by the way, look over there, what means a real PWM solar charge controller works. You can see that that is a analogic ammeter. And now the charging, it's around 3 amps, and you can see the needle jumping up and down. That's exactly how pulse width modulation is working like. So somehow consider that like a water tap, It's closing and open the water. It's exactly the same. A good PWM should work like this. When the battery is reaching the voltage, the top voltage, like we got here, 14.4, then this device should start blocking and is delivering the energy in packets, following, of course, the charging curve. I'm using AGM batteries, and that's a lead acid battery, and the top of the voltage should be 14.4. What I want to do next is to have my oscilloscope hooked on this, and let's see some waves. And here we are. So the oscilloscope is connected to the input, to the panels, I may call this, to this side here, right here. And let's see the oscilloscope display running. And we can see very clearly the pulses. Let's put it on auto, let's see what's happening. We are on DC, and look up there, we can see the charging pulses. So this line over here, it's the battery voltage, okay, and those ups and downs are the charging pulses from the solar charge controller. Now the battery, it's charged and doesn't need too much power in, so that's why the pulses are maybe like 30% duty or something. And let's have some data about what about it's 3.3% duty cycle. Look there. So we can see very clear, because the battery, it's full, almost full. The duty cycle was, okay, it's 3.3%, and that means that's the width of the pulses. If the battery is depleted, then the pulses are getting larger and larger. And you can see we have a maximum of 14.7 RMS. And I think this is a very clear idea of how a pulse width modulation charge controller is working. Let me see, maybe we can stabilize that a little bit. So if you have the possibility of using one of these, let's say, mechanic classic ammeter in series with the panels, that can gives you a perfect idea of the charging status. And you can see this with digital multimeters, because you see this mechanical one have this possibility of just following the current very fast and very easy. So this is a perfect picture of how this PWM, this is a perfect picture of how this is working. Well, I hope it's useful, and I hope to see you soon with some new projects. Don't forget to be safe and don't forget to have fun. Please like, subscribe and comment. Bye bye.